As you can see here, this is some of the hand polishing that will happen. It will still go through and go in and get hand polished with rouge and tripoli, but this is just one of the extra steps that we take to make sure that it's perfect. As well too, this is a way that we can do some visual inspection to make sure that these rings are perfect before they go into hand polishing. But this is just one extra stage to making sure that these are absolutely flawless and perfect. Let's take a peek at some of these. Oh yeah, those look gorgeous even before they go in for polishing. So this is just one extra stage before. These rings have all been hand alloyed and hand pulled into wire. So as I always say here, we don't pre-purchase wire. We've spent the time to make sure that this is all hand drawn through a draw plate, and yeah, all of these goldsmiths just do such a fantastic job, right Gemma? Yeah, exactly.